Chicken Moroccan style. 3 medium onion sliced, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 half to 3 pounds bowl of fried chicken cut up, 1 can 18 ounces tomato sauce, 1 cup water. 2 medium carrots cut into 2-inch slices, 2 teaspoons salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half cup burger or instant barley, 3 medium sweet potato cut into half-inch slices, 1 can 50-ounce garbanzo or kidney beans, half pound peppercorn cut into half-inch slices, or half pound fully cooked ham cut up. Cook and stir onion in oil in Dutch oven until tender. Remove onions. Brown chicken pieces in Dutch oven, adding more oil if necessary. Drain. Return onion to Dutch oven. Stir in tomato sauce, water, carrot, salt and chili powder. Heat to boiling, reduce heat, cover and simmer 30 minutes. Stir bulgur into liquid in Dutch oven, lifting chicken if necessary. Add sweet potatoes and beans with liquid, heat to boiling, reduce heat, cover and simmer until sweet potatoes are tender. 25 to 30 minutes. Add pepperoni, heat until pepperoni is hot. 6 servings. Chicken fricassees. Medium carrots thinly sliced, 1 medium onion thinly sliced, 6 tablespoons butter or margarine, 3 pounds broiler fryer chicken cut up, half teaspoon salt, 2 cans 10 3/4 ounce each condensed chicken broth, 1 cup dry white wine or dry vermouth, 2 pockets garlic C-knot, 60 small white onions, half pounds mushroom sliced, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 egg yolks, half cup whipping cream. Cook and stir carrots and onion slices in 4 tablespoons of the butter in Dutch oven. Push aside, add chicken, cook until golden about 5 minutes. Add salt, broth, half cup wine and 1 boticoot garni. Heat to boiling, reduce heat, cover, simmer until done about 40 minutes. Heat 60 onions and the remaining butter, wine and boticoot garni to boiling. Reduce heat, cover, simmer until onions are tender. 20 to 35 minutes. Remove onions and chicken piece to warm platter with slaughter spoon. Strain chicken broth and onion liquid together, discarding carrots and onion slices. Skim fat from broth, heat broth, mushrooms and lemon juice to boiling, reduce to 2.5 cups. Mix egg yolks and cream. Beat 1 cup hot broth by tablespoonfuls into cream mixture. Beat in remaining broth. Heat to boiling, stirring constantly. Boil and stir 1 minute. Power on chicken and onions. For each bocote garni, tie 2 sprigs parsley, half bay leaf and 1/8 teaspoon dried rosemary leaves in cheesecloth. Chicken and vegetable dinner. Half cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/8 teaspoon pepper, 2.5 pound bowl of fried chicken cut up, 3 tablespoon vegetable oil, half cup water, half tablespoon dried savory leaves, half teaspoon dried thyme leaves, 3 medium carrots cut into 3 into 1/4 inch strips, half package 16 ounce size frozen crinkle cut, potato slices about 2 cups, 1 package 10 ounce frozen asparagus spears or cuts broken apart, 1.5 teaspoon salt. Mix for 1 teaspoon salt, the paprika and pepper coat chicken piece, brown chicken in oil in 2-inch skillet or Dutch oven, drain. Add water, savory and thyme, heat to boiling, reduce heat, cover and simmer 30 minutes. Add carrots, cover and simmer 10 minutes. Add frozen potatoes and asparagus, sprinkle with 1/2 teaspoon salt. Heat to boiling, reduce heat, cover and simmer until chicken is done and vegetables are tender 10 to 15 minutes. Chicken gumbo. 3.5 pound broiler fryer chicken cut up, 2 cup water, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 clove garlic finely chopped, large bay leaf crumbled, large stacks celery with leaves cut diagonally into slice, about 1.5 cups. Medium onion chopped about half cup. 1 can 28 ounce whole tomatoes, 1 package 10 ounce frozen okra, 1 can 7 ounce whole kernel corn, 1/3 cup uncooked regular rice, teaspoon red pepper sauce. Heat chicken piece, water, salt, garlic and bay leaf into boiling to Dutch oven. Reduce heat. Cover and simmer until chicken is done about 45 minutes. Remove chicken from broth, strain both refrigerator, chicken and broth. When cool, remove chicken from bones. Skin can be removed if desired. Cut chicken into bite-sized pieces. Skim excess fat from broth and place of broth and chicken in Dutch oven. Stir in sirloin, onion, tomatoes with liquid frozen okra, corn with liquid, rice and pepper sauce. Break up tomatoes with a fork. Heat to boiling, reduce heat, cover and simmer until okra and rice are tender 20 to 30 minutes. Garnish with snippet parsley. 8 serving. 4 pounds stewing chicken cut up. Chicken and rice. 4 pounds stewing chicken cut up. 2 large onions sliced, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 cup finely chopped bacon or salt pork, about 6 ounces. 1 medium onion chopped, about 1/2 cup. 1 medium green pepper chopper, about 1 cup. 1 can 28 ounce whole tomatoes, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, half cup water, 1.5 cup uncooked regular rice, half cup seedless raisins. Heat chicken, onion sliced, 2 teaspoons salt and just enough water to cover to boiling in Dutch oven. Reduce heat, cover and simmer until thickest piece of chicken are done. 2.5 to 3 hours. Refrigerated chicken and broth. When cool, remove skin and bones from chicken. Cut chicken into 1-inch pieces. Broth can be strained and refrigerated up to 2 days or frozen up to 6 months. Cook and stir bacon in Dutch oven until crisp. Drain on paper towels. Reserve. Cook and stir chopped onion and green pepper in bacon fat until onion is tender. Stir in tomatoes with liquid, 1.5 teaspoon salt, the cumin and 1/2 cup water. Stir in rice, heat to boiling, reduce heat, simmer uncovered 10 minutes. Place chicken pieces on rice, cover and cook 50 minutes. Stir chicken into rice. Stir in raisins, cover and let stand 5 minutes before serving. Sprinkle with reserve bacon. Family style broiler chicken. 2.5 pound broiler fried chicken cut up, half cup butter or margarine, half cup vegetable oil, small onion finely chopped about half cup, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 medium clove garlic crushed, 2 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon ground ginger. Place chicken pieces skin sides down on rack in broiler pan. Heat remaining ingredients, stirring occasionally until butter is melted. Brush over chicken. Set oven control to broil and or 550. Broil with the tops 5 to 7 inches from heat. Brushing with the butter mixture every 10 to 50 minutes and running chicken as it browns and the thickest pieces are done. 40 to 50 minutes. Chicken and pepper Sicilian. Pound 1 by 2 pound Italian link sausage or pork link sausages cut into half-inch slice. Tablespoon vegetable oil. 3.5 to 4 pounds chicken parts. Half cup hot water. 2 cloves garlic finely chopped. 1 teaspoon instant chicken bouillon. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon berried basil leaves. Half teaspoon pepper. Medium onion sliced and separated into rings. 2 medium green pepper cut into rings. 2 medium tomato peels and chopped. Heat oven to 350. Cook and stir sauce slice into